Welcome to an exciting exploration of biophysics, a field that unveils the intricate molecular mechanisms that underpin life itself. In this video, we aim to illuminate the fascinating world of biophysics and its profound impact on our understanding of biological processes at the molecular level. So, what exactly is biophysics? Biophysics is an interdisciplinary science that merges the principles of physics with the complexities of biological phenomena to unravel the mysteries of life. By applying theories and methods traditionally used in physics, biophysics provides insights that are essential for advancing our knowledge of living systems and their functions. At the core of biophysics lies the examination of molecular structures and interactions. Biophysicists study how biological molecules, such as proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids, are structured and how they interact with one another. This exploration encompasses not only their static structures but also their dynamics, how these molecules move and change in response to biological processes. Energy and forces play a pivotal role in these interactions. Biophysics investigates how physical forces govern the behavior of molecules and how energy transformations drive biochemical reactions. For instance, enzymes, which are vital for facilitating biochemical reactions, work by lowering the activation energy required for these reactions to occur. This relationship between energy, molecular interactions, and biological function is foundational to understanding life processes. To delve into the molecular realm, biophysicists employ a variety of sophisticated techniques and technologies. One such technique is spectroscopy, which allows scientists to determine the structure of complex molecules by analyzing how they interact with different wavelengths of light. This method provides valuable information about the arrangement of atoms within a molecule. Additionally, advanced microscopy techniques, such as fluorescence microscopy and electron microscopy, enable researchers to visualize molecular processes in real time. For instance, fluorescence microscopy allows scientists to track specific proteins or cellular components within living cells, revealing dynamic interactions that are essential for understanding cellular functions. As we discuss these techniques, you might see animations illustrating how these advanced methods work in real time. Computational biophysics is another essential aspect of this field. Molecular modeling and simulations play a crucial role in predicting how proteins will fold or interact with one another. These computational approaches can provide insights into the stability of protein structures and the dynamics of molecular interactions, leading to a better understanding of biological mechanisms. Now that we've explored the techniques, let's delve into the vast and impactful applications of biophysics. One significant area is understanding disease mechanisms. By elucidating the molecular basis of diseases, biophysics aids in the development of pharmaceuticals and therapeutic strategies. For example, insights into how proteins misfold can inform drug design for conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Have you ever considered how a better understanding of molecular interactions could lead to new treatments? Biophysics also plays a crucial role in biological energy conversion. Processes like photosynthesis and cellular respiration are examples of how organisms convert energy from one form to another. Understanding these processes not only sheds light on fundamental biological functions, but also has implications for renewable energy technologies. For instance, the study of photosynthesis has inspired the development of artificial photosynthesis systems, which aim to harness solar energy for fuel production. Visualize this process as we illustrate how sunlight is converted into energy through photosynthesis. Another fascinating area is neurobiophysics, where biophysics contributes to our understanding of how nerve cells communicate. The precise mechanisms of synaptic transmission, action potentials, and neurotransmitter release are explored through biophysical techniques. This knowledge is pivotal for deciphering brain function and behavior, paving the way for advancements in treating neurological disorders. Now let's delve into some compelling case studies that illustrate the power of biophysics. The protein folding problem is a prime example. Misfolded proteins can lead to serious diseases, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Understanding the principles of protein folding can help scientists develop therapies to prevent or reverse these conditions. Think about how crucial proper protein folding is for health. Another critical area is the study of DNA and genetic engineering. Biophysics provides insights into DNA replication and transcription, processes that are fundamental to all living organisms. The applications of this knowledge extend to genetic engineering and CRISPR technology, which allow for precise modifications in the genetic material of organisms. Despite the remarkable progress in biophysics, challenges remain. One significant limitation is the complexity of simulating an entire living cell, which requires integrating vast amounts of data and numerous molecular interactions. As technology advances, developing more accurate models of cellular processes will be crucial for further discoveries. Emerging trends, such as quantum biology, also hold promise for the future of biophysics. By exploring how quantum mechanics affects biological systems, researchers may uncover new principles that govern life at the molecular level, potentially transforming our understanding of biology. Quantum phenomena could explain processes like photosynthesis and enzyme catalysis, offering fresh perspectives on biological efficiency and adaptability. Imagine how this could change our approach to bioengineering. In summary, biophysics is a powerful field that unlocks the molecular mechanisms driving biological processes. By integrating principles from physics and biology, it offers invaluable insights that support innovations in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. Biophysics provides a robust framework for understanding how complex biological systems operate, from the tiniest molecular interactions to the grand scale of ecosystems. As we continue to explore the intricate connections between molecular structures and biological functions, we encourage you to delve deeper into specific areas of biophysics that pique your interest. The journey of discovery is just beginning, and there is so much more to learn about the molecular blueprint that shapes life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of biophysics. We hope you found this exploration engaging and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos. Until next time, keep unlocking the wonders of science and the mysteries of life. Thank you for watching. If you're hungry for more knowledge, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your support is incredibly valuable to us.